In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in your audience settings and bulk assign it to subscribers. To get started, open your audience section and look for the tags area. This is where you can organize your subscribers using labels that make it easier to group people based on a specific identifier or category. Tags are especially useful when you want to keep your audience organized for future filtering, tracking, or follow-up actions. Once you're in the tag section, look over to the right side of the layout for the blue Create Tag button and click it. This will open the option to add a new tag to your account. At this stage, you'll want to think carefully about the name you give the tag. Use a name that is clear, specific, and easy to recognize later, since good tag naming helps avoid confusion as your contact list grows. In the box provided, type the identifier name you want to use for this tag. Keep the label simple but descriptive so you can instantly understand what it represents when you come back to it later. This is helpful if you manage multiple tags and need to sort subscribers efficiently. After entering the name, click Create to confirm your new tag structure. Once you do that, the tag will be added to your available list and ready to use. Creating the tag first before assigning it ensures your audience structure stays neat and consistent. Next, go to your All Contacts Viewer profile list so you can apply the tag to subscribers in bulk. In that contact list, use the checkboxes to select the subscribers you want to update. This is the fastest way to assign the same tag to multiple people at once, especially if you're working with a larger audience. After selecting the appropriate contacts, bulk assign the tag you just created to those subscribers. Using bulk assignment saves time and helps make sure your tagging is consistent across everyone you selected. It's a practical way to manage segments without having to update each profile one by one. And that's it. You've now created a new tag and applied it to multiple subscribers in just a few steps. Keeping your audience organized this way can make future communication and contact management much smoother.